Hello everyone, I am going to dictate you steno legal matter. Be ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, start.
This writ appeal is filed by the unsuccessful petitioner in writ petition number 13194 of 2009, who is the opposite party in the election petition number 5 of 2007 before the civil judge, Junior Division Rampur, who has allowed the application of the respondent herein to recount the ballots of polling booth numbers 1, 2, 6, 10 and 11, which order is affirmed in the impugned order passed by the learned single judge in dismissing the petition filed by the appellant herein void. Its order dated 2011-2009 is challenged, urging various illegal grounds stop. When this matter was listed for admission on 15/4/2010, learned counsel appearing on behalf of the respondent raised the preliminary objection regarding the maintainability of this writ appeal by placing reliance upon the full bench decision of this court in the case of Muhammad and others versus Dr. Mahfouz and another, reported in 2008 OLR 725, placing reliance upon paragraph 45, wherein the full bench of this court, having regard to the conflicting division bench judgments of this court with reference to section 100A of the Code of Civil Procedure as amended by Act 22 of 2002, has held that appeal against the judgment/order of a learned single judge to a division bench, notwithstanding anything contained in the latter's patent, is not available, as it is held that no provision for filing an appeal to a division bench against the judgment/decree order of a learned single judge has been made. Stop. In this view of the matter, the learned counsel for the respondent contends that appeal against the order of the learned single judge, in view of the aforesaid full bench decision of this court, which has answered the reference, holding that against the judgment or order passed by a learned single judge, in view of section 100A of CPC, latter's patent appeal is not provided, the appeal is not maintainable in law, and therefore requested to dismiss this appeal on this count itself. Stop. Learned counsel appearing on behalf of the appellant herein rebuts the said contention, placing reliance on the very issue full bench decision at paragraph 47 within bracket 2, wherein his court, after interpretation of section 100A and the various decisions of this Supreme Court with regard to jurisdiction of judicial review power of this court under Articles 226 and 227 of the Constitution, and also b. the remedy of appeal under clause 10 of the latter's patent, read with Orissa High Court Order 1948, held that no latter's patent appeal shall be stopped. Over.